Now it's time to create the actual pie chart. So we have our data set up here, A through F. We have the count of our A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's. We're going to select that data, both the label and the number part. We're going to go to the Charts tab, and under the Pie Chart button, we're going to choose the basic pie. Now I'm going to click and drag on the frame to move this down so it's not on top of anything. Now, as it is with this chart, you will notice the A would be blue. There's no A. B is the next value in red. So the first chartable value started right at 12 o'clock, and then it goes clockwise all the way around. Okay, it charted it in order, starting at 12 o'clock, going around. So if you needed to adapt your chart in any way, you would want to rearrange the order here. And the neat thing about charts is if I change any of the data or the order, it automatically updates. So for instance, I just want to show you, if I were to physically put in a 1 for the A, you'll notice now there's something charted for the A. I'll undo that. Just wanted to let you know that charts are live and active, which is really helpful. Now, if I were to print this out in black and white, it might be difficult to tell some of the colors apart from each other. So to make that a little easier, I'm going to make sure the chart is selected. I'm going to go up here to the Chart Layout tab, and under Data Labels, I have a lot of choices here. I really like to use the category name and percentage. And that way I have the name and the percentage on there in case I am printing it out on a black and white printer. Now, one little detail, not necessarily a requirement, but in my example I do actually have 0% A's and 0% F's. So to make that a little more readable, I could click on there and pull those apart. You can actually move all the labels around pretty much anywhere you want them, just to make it a little more readable. Alright, let's save it. Good work so far. Let's keep moving on along.